Hi everybody, it's Patty and Debbie again from Print and Pixel Studio, and today we're working with these toilet rolls. Also, let me reach over here. If you don't have any, well, I'm sure you do have these, everybody does, but you can also use the paper towel rolls, and you can get about two pockets and a belly band out of one of these. So it's a good way to keep stuff out of the landfill. And as you'll see as our video goes on, you can make some really cute stuff with these. So I guess to start out, here's one, my peepers on so I can see what I'm doing. Here's one that we've embossed. Well, we embossed all of them, but you don't have to. But we think they look kind of cool embossed. So all you do is just flatten them out, flat as can be, the best you can. And if you are using an embossing machine, they are kind of hard to go through. So you have to make sure that you don't use both of your embossing plates, that you just use one embossing plate and the other thinner platform that comes with it. But anyway, you just flatten them out, and like I say, you don't have to use the embossing plates. You can decoupage over the top of these, or collage, over the top of these, and get a really cool effect. But anyway, they're really easy to do, and they're fun. And if you wanted to, your kids could even join in too, because they could make something out of these as well. And then let's see, I guess we put it away, our little clipper. That's okay, I don't need it, Debbie, I just show them here. We just clipped a little hole there so that when you put tags or whatever inside, they're easy to get out. Oh yeah, here he is. Probably I should do this after we emboss, actually. But we're not gonna do that today because everybody that has an embossing machine knows how to use it. And if you don't, you can, like I say, collage over the top of these, or just paste, like a piece of printed paper of some kind, or it doesn't even have to be that. It could be a book page.
Fabric.
Yeah, fabric would be cool. Be fun. So it's just really your imagination, and you can, do whatever you like. There's no rules. So we made up a couple for examples. This one we didn't decorate, and we didn't seal the bottom of it yet. We just have left it pretty much like it is, but you can see even plain, they're pretty neat. And then hold a cute tag. And here's another one that Debbie made, and this is super cute. Cute tag too that she made with the bingo card. But you can leave it open so you can put long cards in there so you could make it more of a belly band type feel. Or you can, having an old timers, Debbie, what do you call these guys?
Oh, cluster.
Cluster. It's been that kind of day, I'm telling you. I don't know what's wrong with me. But anyway, super cute. And also, speaking of clusters, you can just make up clusters out of your stash, or pull some out of your stash that you happen to have, and put them on the front. And they make really cute additions to your journal. Cute.
Love it.
So I guess I've got one here that I started to work on, and just a piece of lace. I thought I don't know. I just have been brain dead all day, and haven't really had a hard time coming up with stuff. But finally got it in my mind what I wanted to do. So I'm just going to cut a piece of lace here. And I kind of like it when you kind of rough up the edge a little bit. I think my problem is Debbie's husband made this fabulous lunch for us. And I was much sharper before I ate. But anyway, so just, I'm just going to use a little bit of glue here to hold this on. So what are you thinking over there, Deb?
I'm thinking I like it. These are fun to make.
They are fun to make.
Yeah. I love reusing stuff that we have around the house because so much stuff goes into the landfill every day.
I know, it does. You know, my husband and I were talking, there's just the two of us at home now, and how we use so much trash, how we dispose of so much stuff, I don't know. We don't buy hardly any prepackaged stuff, but for some reason, we've got it. I don't know. I don't know why that is. Yeah, I love that velvet ribbon. Cute. So anyway, just, and like I say, you can do this however you want, but this is just an example of how we've been making them. These would make cute gift card holders at Christmas time or for birthdays or something.
Really cute.
A bit of glue on there. And this, I just took, it's just a design copied onto cardstock, and I just kind of crumpled it up and took the scissors and roughed up the edges and then inked it, of course, crumpled it in my hand and straightened it back out and inked it, so it kind of gives that feel of being an older piece. I think I just, no, I guess that's what, oops, that's not holding very well. Obviously I didn't have enough glue on here, but as I was doing that, I thought, hey, wait a minute. I'm supposed to be putting these flowers on as well. These are cute, just vintage flowers, little flowers off of an old hat. Stick those on for a little decoration. And I just realized that I put this together differently than I had planned. Like I say, it's been that kind of day. I don't know. I had planned on putting the ribbon over the top. Oh well, doesn't matter, still cute. Yeah, cute. And then I just have a little tag inside. Come on, stay down there, buddy. Yeah, I don't know what it is. We just shot another video before this. I was the same way, forgetting half the stuff I was supposed to be doing.
Watch out for you.
I know, God. The old timers. Yep. So pretty much that's it. It's very simple. And like I say, you could do it with your kids. That would be fun. At Christmas time, especially if you're going to do gift cards and stuff. It'd be fun for them to participate. Anyway, it makes a cute little, like I say, this is not how I had originally planned to have it put together, but it's still cute. Yeah, cute. And here we made a few belly bands, which is another idea for them. These are cute. And you could either glue them onto your page or paper clip them on. They're cute. Let's see, did you have another one, Deb, or is that it?
No, not any one that I finished yet. That's just the only ones that are finished.
But they're cute. And like I say, you don't have to have a lot of supplies, some cardstock and some printables.
Everything
little bit of
we used
ribbon.
was scraps from, like, kind of like the same stuff we used for our clusters and
Yeah,
snippets, everything,
Right.
just little pieces of whatever we have laying around.
right. And like I say, you don't, all you have to do is in your stash, you might have snippets already made up. Just, put them on the top, and they're cute. So anyway, this is just a short video, but we just wanted to kind of like give you some ideas of what you can do with some of the, how you can recycle some of the stuff around your house. And I mean, you could take this, you know, you could put all kinds of laces and beads and all that kind of stuff on it if you wanted to. But we just thought we'd do a real quickie video and kind of give you an idea of what can be done with them and how cute they come out. Like I love this one with the little ribbon, I mean the little button and jute bow on it. Be totally cute. And this poor guy, I'm sorry you didn't go together like you were supposed to. The original idea was to put the velvet ribbon across that card. But anyway, it doesn't matter, it's still cute. Okay, so I guess that's all we have to say today. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye.